Good morning, Professor. My name is Xiaoting Yang. I graduated from College of Forestry in Beijing Forestry University. I like nature and animals. My interest is to use the GIS tools and spatial analysis to explore the mystery of nature and do something good to our environment. Once in a class, my teacher told us a model he made when he was a graduate student. The model made the fire spread visible in forests and under different conditions. I think the model is very interesting and significant. When I was a junior, I joined a group to search the spatial differentiation of the vegetation in an area of China based on the geoscience model. Now let me show you the part we have finished.
The first project is extraction of the crown of Populus euphratic, a leaf based on QuickBird image. The purpose of the project is to detect and extract the Populus euphratic of the area called Egina of China in the image. This research is part of a whole project which focuses on the spatial differentiation of Populus euphratic olive in the nature preservation areas of Populus diversifolia in Egina based on geography model. This whole project was supported by the Giving Finance. Traditional methods of classification based on pixel depends on the spectral value of the pixel. This dependence will cause errors when the superposition of the different spectral areas is huge. And other reasons may lead to errors too. In recent research, other factors are used in classification, such as the physical attributes of the objects and the geometrical relationships among neighbors. This research based on PCA sharpening technique and an object-oriented image analysis method and multi-level segmentation technique have been used. The data is QuickBird image, including multispectral bands and panchromatic bands. The data fusion provides an image with high spectral resolution and ability to detect and extract the objects. So our first step is image fusion. You can see the effects of data fusion in this page. Step 2 is information extraction. It is the most important part of our research. And we have 3 scales segmentation to classify. After this step, we extracted the single and group Populus euphratic from other objects, including the shadows, the farms, and other species. On this page, you can see the results of third-scale segmentation for sparse canopies. In this step, we trained the computer to classify the vegetation. The two problems are choosing the training samples and choosing the indicators for classification. After this step, we got the extraction of the Populus euphratic in this whole area, and this classification was done by the computer. On this page, you can see the result image. In this image, you can see the different areas are in different colors. The yellow ones are those plants in group, and the blue ones are those single plants. Finally, we compare the results of analysis done by the computer to that done by a person. By this comparison, we try to evaluate the accuracy of the method. On this page, you can see the different results of a sparse vegetation area. On this page, you can see the results of dense vegetation area, and the left one is the result of auto analysis, and the right one is the manual analysis. In conclusion, on the basis of image fusion, we used a multi-level image segmentation of object-oriented classification method, and we had good results. Both in the Euphrates popular forest sparse and dense areas, we extracted the distribution situation. I did my another research, which is both my graduation thesis and a published paper in my last year as an undergraduate student with my partner. This project is the Department Spatial Distribution in a Research University. To build integrative studying university is a goal of education revolution. The construction of 211 university and college city in China. How to conform sources in university or design. Campus is focused in the field of higher education. Michigan University is one of top universities in America, and what this research interests in is the relation of the college spatial distribution and the character of itself. On this page, you can see the density of faculty in this university. We started with sociologic theory of the social implication of space. We combined methods with GIS analysis. First, we conducted a qualitative inquiry into the spatial practice of University of Michigan. We got image from Google Earth and then did the pre-processing. After vectorization, we used the tools of ArcGIS to analyze. GIS spatial analysis and spatial statistics analysis is main method to research and compare the result to which found by social network analysis. In this image, you can see the density of the faculty in this university. From this legend, you can see the more people, the darker the color. This image shows a directional distribution. In conclusion, we find that the College of Michigan University is distributed by function. Now we have plans of further research.
I did this research because I am also interested in combining the spatial analysis with other subjects. My future interest is vegetation classification and national resource investigation because in my hometown there are many forests and I think maybe I can do something for them one day in future.